In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to a PDF on a Mac. This is a quick and reliable way to share spreadsheets so they look consistent on any device without worrying about fonts, formulas, or formatting shifting around. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. Start by opening the Excel spreadsheet you want to convert. Take a moment to make sure the content you want to share is visible and arranged the way you'd like it to appear in the final document. PDFs show exactly what's on the sheet, so check your column widths, headers, and any totals or notes you want included. Next, move up to the menu bar at the very top of your screen and click File. From that drop-down, choose Save As. This opens a dialog where you'll choose where the PDF will be saved and what it will be called. Pick a clear file name that makes sense to anyone you're sending it to, and select a folder you can find easily later. In this same window, look for the drop-down labeled File Format. Click it and choose PDF. This tells Excel to export a fixed, shareable version of your spreadsheet instead of a live workbook. Before you finish, click the Options button. This is where you can control exactly how much of your Excel file gets included. If your workbook has multiple sheets and you want all of them in one PDF, choose the entire workbook. If you only want the sheet you're currently viewing, select Active Sheet. And if you only need part of a sheet, such as a specific table or report area, choose Selected Range. If you plan to use Selected Range, make sure you've highlighted that area in Excel before you start the Save As process. Choosing the right scope here keeps your PDF focused and prevents extra tabs or blank areas from slipping in. Once you've made your selection, click OK to close the Options window. Now you're back in the Save As dialog. Review your file name, the destination folder, and confirm file format is set to PDF. When everything looks right, click Save. Excel will generate your PDF and place it where you chose. Open it in Preview to double-check the layout, page breaks, and that the correct sheets or ranges are included. If something looks off, you can go back to Excel, adjust your sheet layout or selection, and repeat the Save As steps. That's all there is to it. You now have a clean, portable PDF version of your spreadsheet, ready to share or archive with confidence.